Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Rainbet account. First, log into your Rainbet account at rain.com. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click on Wallet. This is where all your funds are managed. Inside the wallet, you'll see multiple tabs: Deposit, Withdraw, Buy Crypto, Tip, and Redeem. Since we're withdrawing, click on Withdraw. If you want to withdraw using crypto, you can choose from multiple options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, Litecoin, and more. After selecting your currency, pick the network, enter the withdrawal address, and check the fees. Then just enter the amount you want to withdraw. Alternatively, you can withdraw via banking options like Interact or Pix. You'll need to fill out your banking details, including your first and last name and CPF if using Pix. Once everything is entered, confirm the withdrawal. Double check all the details before confirming, whether crypto or bank. Once submitted, your withdrawal will be processed according to the selected method. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Rainbet. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips. Thanks for watching.